Fuck, who that? You, are your car that? Yeah, man. Will be buy it for me. Like when you not work today, go for a drive now. Alright. So what you do for the whole girl, they make sure buy you this. Yeah? It's a car toward him. Yo, bill off I fuck in a man, you can just forward now. Alright, but make sure you buy me some KFC on the way. Richie rich. Yeah, go on, man. Yo, daddy did I ask for you, you know? Me too. One of my problem that. Yo, I know you vex with them, you know. Of course I vex with them. Them kick man out of the house. Yeah, but them are still family.
Every move is on the page, but I didn't like their way.
Family wouldn't do that.
Had to find a way to change. Had to leave them on my way.
Yo.
Caught up in a daydream. I mean, my mind
Fuck them, man. Change the subject now, youth. I don't want to talk about them. We're gonna back road me, you want to go. You're forward. Can't pay to them girl if you suck off mode. Love it. No man, I'm good. You turn out a real girl clown. Not even, you know what, I'm not even gonna say nothing. You stay in the car while me get my wood suck. Yeah, waste man.
So your face looks
I'm good man. Just a wait on somebody.
so while you wait, you know I'm gonna do something for you. Come on, come and get one of them Romeo. Make get this gone. Like we are so cute.
No man. The move man, me alright.
God, it's been a long day. So dear at that. We little bit of money, you know.
You don't look like you're really into this. Why don't get one job at one call center or something?
You know, think I tried that already. But that subject with me of couldn't get that work. Then we go breed. Baby father left me. This is all I can do.
That rough?
More than rough, man, but without her to eat, she have my main concern. I'm very business mode not else, you know. I was having to really watch her face.
Why them girl they drain me out? Oh, you look like you find one girl. So what I do? Nothing, bro. I want to go home, alright? Cream and wait for me. Watch out. Yo, youth. Bill the man, I'm ready to leave you, you know. Text her and tell her say I chill with me, alright? Leave it at that. I want to you. Yo, you're going like you're married. Come now, man. Go drink. You make that one you suck off your wood.
Why they make me suck off your wood? Forget about him. He married.
Yo, man, I'm not left in me, you know. But you know what? I'm gonna drink some rum and boom. I'm gonna come back for you, alright?
Alright.
You really wanna go with him after I'm just done with them two girls there? You sure?
Listen, it is what it is, alright? I have to do what I have to do. I have to make my money. We can't go empty handed.
Richard, what no man? Yo, I wanna leave, you know. I'm not argue with you or nothing, but I'm tired, man. I wanna go home. My youth. Easy now, my youth. Yo, I'm still the girl that way you did you talk to me one time, you know. Yo, dog, I don't deal with she. Alright, can we leave now? What? So you fuck her for real, man. Yo, I know the girl is still in the air, you know. Yeah, man, anything. Yo. Before we leave now, man. Come now.
You can't buy the something. We make it worth your while.
Yeah, man, anything pon the menu me get feel. Don't pay my brother no mind. Besides, more round two with the 2 hour again.
Alright, just spend this something to eat first. I'm hungry, but
So Richard, I see you there. You know see me I call your phone. Amount of text messages me send you.
Oh, hope, my battery is dead, that's why.
Your battery dead? Alright man. Anything you say?
Come man, ready for leave.
Richard, who this your mother? So big shit while we suffer. Like a little boy.
Richard, I'm gonna say it again, you know. Come.
Yo, hope, what go on?
Why go on Sebastian?
Shit, my mother.
Share what the new woman?
Yo, hope, where are you with? Eh, you good?
Yeah man, just come here for come pick up your brother.
Oh, finally, if I want more and go home, tell the suits I'm more and leave, I'll know.
Listen, I have some things for deal with on the road. So call my taxi man. Him will drop your yard, alright?
Hey, thanks. Oh shit, yo, me for piss. Give me a minute there.
Don't worry man, take your time. We're there, wait.
So Richard, you ready to go to the room? Me call Cherry mix of council. And me call Stacy. If you want, I'll clean out your potty.
No man, I'm good. Me alright man.
What? Richard, go on, go have fun. That's why you come out here. Right? For have fun?
No man, I'm good. Me drink too much. Me go more and go home now.
Come on, Richard. You'll load the triple dippy now. This is the last one, Wookie. You never wake up till the next morning enough pay extra oatmeal fee.
What? I saw you did good. Go on with that, Richard. But out here wait. Don't worry about it.
Richard, come now. Me get the. You know what? Wait till I to a room and me get that girl them okay.
Go on with the girl in the room now. We are wait pan.
So Auntie, why you look so nervous all of a sudden? What about you, sir? Come on, Richard, I'm in the mood. Start now. Come on. Come on. Richard, I want to you, sir.
Sebastian, you really have the nerve to come in here late at night and also you have your dirty shoes in my bed? Where the hell have you been, Sebastian? I've been texting and calling your phone. You didn't answer. Seriously? You didn't hear me talking to you, Sebastian? Who are you texting now? Sebastian, don't get me vexed, you know.
Sorry, babes. Me go out with Richard last night. Never really do. Baby, I'm sorry, alright? Never really do watch your time. You know?
I'm not trying to be annoying, Sebastian, but I was worried.
I'm sorry, Kareem, alright? You know, I'm just still enjoy myself. You know, I've been working all the time. I'm just still have a couple drinks. That's it. Nothing else, I promise. I'm really sorry, alright? It not happen again. Baby. You can make me some tea, please?
Alright.
Really appreciate it.
Go and go shower, please. And take your dirty shoes off.
Yo, Richard, you alright? Man, so you not answer my text and mute? You good? No man, me alright, me reach home, me good man, me good. Yeah man. Alright dog, as long as you're good. That's why I come, I just did want to make sure, so you reach home safe. Alright, later, Sebastian.
I'm tired to talk to you. I want you over and over again in a Richard and you don't listen. Now look where you cause. You have to remember something, you know. You belong to me.